Hello everybody, today we make eggplant parmesan, but I want to surprise everybody. And look at my face, I'm so happy. See this? This is my wine, 7 stelle.
Let's give it a taste. So if anybody wants to try it, we have a link down below. It's 7stellewines.com. And we also have an about section if you want to learn more about how we came up with the name. But we hope you give it a try and let us know what you think.
Chin chin, salud. Oh, so delicious, this wine. And we use eggplant, I got mozzarella, I got grana padano, breadcrumb, I put parsley, it's from my garden. We use flour, eggs, and I got my own made tomato. For the sauce, this is on my made tomato sauce I did this year. It's beautiful, really good. And I cook, I use short rib, and I use my sauce. After I take out the short rib, I eat, and this the sauce. And we gotta use for the eggplant. Okay, now it's the time I gotta slice the eggplant. And what I do, I cut this piece over here. We put in a dish. And I cut now the bottle one over here. Okay? Now, we take one little piece out over here, like this. And we put over here, because I don't use this. And now we start the slice for the eggplant parmesan we gotta make. It's a fresh one, it's really good. Look how beautiful it looks. Okay, now I like to pour a little salt on the flour, a little salt on the eggs. Okay, and now we gotta use a little black pepper on the flour. And black pepper. Add the eggs. And with the fork, I mix a little bit of the flour over here. And now we gotta scramble the eggs. The eggs I got 2, and I put about 3 tablespoons water. Okay, I put a fresh parsley from my garden, and we mix now. Okay, and we start now do the eggplant over here. And we do flour, eggs, and breadcrumb. And I gotta do this, all this the same. And we put right over here in this dish. And this now it's the last one. And now I gotta wash my hands. Okay, now it's the time of the fry. And let's put the gas on. 1 and 2. And we put oil. Now we leave warm up the oil really good. Okay, now it's the time to start the fry. Put it on this side. Now this you gotta do like a couple of minutes, both sides. But I check all the time because I want a beautiful color. Okay. Okay, look how beautiful, huh? Good. And this is done on this side. Now we check this one. Okay, we load the gas. Both, and let's take it out. It look both sides, it look beautiful. And now we use paper towel to dry the oil. Okay, now we gotta start to do the lay for the eggplant parmigiana. Eggplant, I say good in English. You see, I say melanzana alla parmigiana. Okay, now we put a little sauce on the dish, not too much, just like that, and you spread all over the place on a dish. And now we start to put like this. Look, 1 and 2. Look how beautiful. Now we use little sauce like that, and we put the sauce all over like that. Okay, now I use grana padano. So you want, you can use any kind of the cheese, or so you use only mozzarella, but you can use pecorino cheese or parmigiano cheese. I use grana padano, and I put a little bit of the grana padano over here, and mozzarella. Mozzarella, so beautiful. And now we do not lay the eggplant. We got this. I want to pour a little extra on this over here in the middle, and like that. And now sauce. And we spread all over the place. Cheese again, and mozzarella. Okay, now this is the last lay. More sauce. When I make a sauce, I use basil. You can see the basil green over here. Okay, now this is go in the oven. I got the oven at 400 degrees. It go in the oven for 30-35 minutes. After I take it out, I put the cheese on the top. Cause the cheese, I don't want to put it now. Cause you put the cheese now, it burn everything. Like this, 10 minutes, it's enough for the cheese. Okay. That's the eggplant. Look how beautiful it look. All right, and now it's time to put mozzarella and the cheese. We put the cheese. Now mozzarella. Okay, now this one time the mozzarella to melt, we check and be ready. Okay. Oh, this is gonna come so beautiful. My Parmigiana eggplant. Oh, one cut a nice piece. A nice cincin salad. And really delicious. Okay, now it's ready. Let's take out and let's see how beautiful it looks. Okay, look at that. And now we bring on the table. Okay, before we start to eat, I want to relax a little bit, and like this, everything is still bubble. I want the stop a bubble, and I'll start the color. Okay. Oh, look how nice. Beautiful. And now, let's taste my eggplant. Oh. Ooh. Watch, Pasquale, it's hot. It's so good. And the sauce. And what do you need on this? Little wine. A salud e cin cin, everybody. This is really, really nice. Cin cin. Salud, and we see next time. Salud. Thank you.